Synthetic wombs, tech brothers propose replacing women. Synthetic wombs have been proposed by Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin and Gumroad creator Sahil Lavingia as a remedy to gender inequity. Several prominent tech entrepreneurs discuss the possibility of replacing natural birth with synthetic wombs, claiming that such technology would relieve women of the burden of pregnancy and allow them to work more hours. Musk's fellow tech entrepreneurs came up with one solution for dropping birth rates after Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk cautioned on Tuesday that society should be considerably more worried about population collapse. "We should be investing in technology that makes having kids much faster, easier, cheaper, and more accessible. Synthetic wombs, etc., proposed Sahil Lavingia, the founder of digital product trading platform Gumroad. Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of cryptocurrency Ethereum, agreed, arguing that women would be able to continue working if the burden of pregnancy was replaced with synthetic wombs. Buterin, who is worth an estimated $1.46 billion, claims that outsourcing pregnancy to robots might substantially reduce income inequality between men and women. Though Lavingia and Buterin gained some support on social media, the majority of responses were unfavorable, with some comparing the concept to the Matrix's lab-grown humanity. "This is so dystopian. Why not design a system in which anybody who contributes to society earns enough to start a family, own a home, and live instead of being priced out by inflation?" one person recommended. "The reason the majority of people opting not to have children aren't having them isn't because they don't have quick and cheap synthetic wombs, it's because it increasingly feels like you need to be a millionaire to have them," tweeted journalist Emil Niazi. In 2019, Dutch scientists said they were just 10 years away from producing the world's first artificial womb. That technology, on the other hand, is meant to safeguard premature newborns rather than to completely replace natural pregnancy. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel.